officially day 2 now. So I'm gonna build a workshop. Let's see, build workshop. Hello? Oh. I see. Now I gotta wait, like, oh shoot. Bro, I don't want that. Oh, fall. Get out, shark, bro. Bro, I gotta craft another thing. Wooden hook. Decor. Raft. Nah. Oh shoot, I need to eat, bro. Oh nah. I might be cooked. Let's see. Take. Okay. Repair. Oh shoot. It doesn't seem that far away. Well, shoot. Where am I supposed to get rope from, bruh? What? Alright, so it is getting nighttime in the game, obviously. And that means the video is almost over. When I see those stars, when I see the sun, I'm ending this video. So, bro, I don't want this stupid golden hook. Like, bro, it would be nice, but I'm not paying 99 cents, bro. Like, what kind of person would do that? You know? 5 thatch, bro. Not bad. Alright, that is the end of this video. So, see you in the next one. Bye.